Hi guys. In this video, I am going to show you how to set up VirtualBox and install an OS, Ubuntu. For VirtualBox, the link is in the description. Then let's get started. First, I am installing VirtualBox. VirtualBox is software in which you can install OS. By the use of it, you can run as many OS you want. It creates a virtual environment for the hacker and other user as well. Now I am going to show you by running OS live as well as by installing it. First I am going for live. Follow me. Open VirtualBox and then click on new. Now I am clicking on the expert mode. You can use guided mode if you want. Then choose your OS type and choose version. Don't forget to write name. Now choose how much RAM do you want to give for the OS. Now you can choose if you want to create hard disk or not. I am not going to create virtual hard disk as I am going to run live. After that, click on create. Now select your newly created virtual computer, then click on start. Now select from what you want to boot. If you have CD or pen drive, then choose it. Else browse as I do. Wait until it boots. Then choose Try Ubuntu. Your live OS is ready to run. Now let's go for installing OS. Open VirtualBox and then click on new. Then choose your OS type and choose version. Don't forget to write name. Now choose how much RAM do you want to give for the OS. Now you choose create virtual hard disk. After that, click on create. At least choose 10 GB. After that, click on create. Now select your newly created virtual machine, then click on start. Now select from what you want to boot. If you have CD or pen drive, then choose it. Else browse as I do. Wait until it boots. Now install your OS. Go through the process. After installing the OS, start it. Your OS is ready. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe if you want.